Hey guys. So we are at No Frills. We're about to grocery. Am I in frame? Yeah. What are you picking up?
Do you want to try black beans?
Yeah. Didn't you put black beans in the thing last time? Yeah. Why did I do that? What are you looking for? Anyways. Yep. So we're at No Frills trying to get some groceries. Yeah. This is our cart so far. This is all we picked up. I actually love these. This is like bun. What? Oh. Is it mine? No. Well, we're saving. Savings. And then I had to pick up this hardware bread. It's my favorite. Time to season up stuff. And some meat, chicken, lean beef, and a bunch of something.
Okay.
How could an angel do it for the what?
Do you have mayonnaise?
Ain't gonna do it. Yeah, we have some mayonnaise in the fridge.
A lot?
No, not a lot. How much is it?
$2.97.
Yeah, which one do you want? Regular? They have the olive oil one, eh? I know mom bought that before.
Okay, I got this help you.
Have you guys ever tried olive oil mayonnaise? Do you want to try it or no? It's like half the...
What?
It says light, I don't know. Or do you want to just get regular? So, yeah, let's get it then.
Sea salt.
Oh yeah, we need sea salt. How could an angel... Shit. Oh, what about this? Isn't this the sea salt that Shanique had? Yeah, it was this one she had. Because I remember it was like a juice. I was thinking for this one.
Yeah, I was thinking that.
Still salt. How can an angel wait? We don't have black pepper.
I don't think they have it. Oh,
really? How much is it?
Yeah, did you get it?
Anyways, guys, we're out.
what? We're making the chicken?
Okay. Remember? Do you want to tell the story? Or should I? Huh?
Bailey's. Do you want any Italian?
No. Do you want onion season? Onion salt?
Onion salt or
Onion powder?
onion powder, right? You better. $2.
Nah. How much is the nut and veg? Now I see what everyone goes through when they're vlogging in public. Don't you? Sure? So, should we get the ginger? Or no?
What are you talking about?
No, I don't know. I'm asking you. So let's just get... You got rosemary.
Yeah. How much is it?
Which rice do you like? The brown one? Well, which one did we get last time?
I don't remember.
I guess it's so stupid. Anyways. Okay, I'll vlog you. What kind of noodles? You want to try smart pasta?
I don't know.
I like this pasta.
Yeah, but it's not.
We eat less of it. This is the best brand of pasta, eh? This is my favorite. No, not this one. This one, Barilla. So, and this is my favorite too, spaghettini. How could What kind of pastas do you guys get? What about the blue box? Yeah, because the blue menu, so in No Froze, whatever has this on it, blue menu is like a healthier choice. This looks delicious though. See, look, this is 100% whole grain.
I don't know about you.
Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna try the spaghettini. Okay?
In the blue one?
Yeah. Because I like
Is
spaghettini.
it the small one?
Yeah, you don't like the small? What is the one at the bottom? You want spaghetti? The spaghetti's at the bottom. This one. Spaghetti's right here.
That's what it's saying. Oh.
No, this is not spaghetti either.
This is spaghetti.
No, this is what I like.
Spaghetti?
Yeah, this one.
Why?
It's smaller and it cooks better. Yeah. Anyways.
Okay,